Hey, my friends. Welcome back to Daily English Zone. I'm Zoe. I am very happy you are here with me today. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will repeat ideas so you can understand everything. My goal is to help you practice listening and speaking at the same time. Today's topic is very important. Many English learners ask me, Zoe, how can I stop translating in my head? Maybe you feel the same. Maybe you hear English, and you always think in your own language first. That is okay. It is normal. Everyone does it when they start. But today, I will teach you how to change this habit. You can learn to think in English first. You can do it step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Why do we translate? First, let's talk about why you translate. When you learn English, your brain wants to feel safe. Your brain uses your first language as a helper. Your first language is like a bridge. It connects your language to English. For example, you hear the word apple. Your brain thinks, what does that mean in my language? Then it says the word in your language. Then it goes back to English. This takes time. This makes you feel slow. It makes you feel tired. But don't worry. This is normal. It happens to everyone. Over time, you want to take away the bridge. You want to just see the apple and think, apple. You want to hear the word and understand it fast. This is what thinking in English feels like. It is faster. It is clear. It feels more natural. Part 2. Why thinking in English helps you. Let's talk about why this skill is so important. When you think in English, you feel more confident. You can answer questions faster. You can speak without long pauses. You don't have to search for every word. You don't have to translate every sentence. For example, if someone asks, "What did you do yesterday?" You can think, "I went to the park. I read a book. I ate lunch with my friend." You don't have to think in your language first. You don't have to translate. You just speak. This feels good. It feels natural. But how do you get there? How do you train your brain? Today, I will show you simple steps. You can start using them today. Part 3. Start with simple sentences. The first step is to use short sentences. Many people try to think in big sentences. This is too hard in the beginning. For example, some learners try to think, "I went to the store because I needed to buy some vegetables to cook dinner for my family." This is too long. It makes your brain tired. It makes you feel slow. Start with small sentences. Like this. I went to the store. I bought vegetables. I cooked dinner. Short sentences help you feel confident. They help you think faster. When you feel ready, you can make your sentences longer. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I wake up early. I wake up early. I drink water. I drink water. I read a book. I read a book. I feel happy. I feel happy. Good job. These short sentences are your first step. Part 4. Use visual thinking. The next step is to use visual thinking. What does this mean? When you see something, you think the English word right away. No translation, just the English word. For example, you see your phone. Think, phone. You see your keys. Think, keys. You see a tree. Think, tree. This helps your brain connect English words to real things. It helps you stop translating. This is a small habit, but it is very powerful. Let's try together. I will say an object. You picture it in your mind. A chair, a spoon, a window, a dog, a bus. When you see these things, I just think the English word. Part 5. Describe what you are doing. Another way to think in English is to describe your actions. You can do this in your mind. You don't need to say it out loud. For example, when you are cooking, think, I am washing rice. I am cutting carrots. I am boiling water. When you are cleaning, think, I am sweeping the floor. I am folding clothes. When you are walking, think, I am walking to the shop. I see a red car. The sun is warm. These small sentences help you build the habit. You start to think in English naturally. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I am making tea. I am making tea. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am writing a message. I am writing a message. Very good. Keep practicing every day. Part 6. Use simple questions. Thinking in English is not only about statements. You can also use questions in your mind. For example, what am I doing now? What do I see? How do I feel? When you ask questions in English, your brain starts to think in English more often. Let's try some questions. I will say the question. You repeat after me. What am I doing now? What am I doing now? How do I feel today? How do I feel today? What do I see around me? What do I see around me? Good job. These questions help you stay in English. Part 7. Shadowing practice. Shadowing is one of the best ways to stop translating. You listen to English, and you repeat right away. You don't pause. You don't translate. You just copy the sounds. This helps you think faster. It trains your brain and your mouth together. Let's do shadowing practice. I will say a sentence twice. You repeat after me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am thinking in English every day. I am thinking in English every day. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I can speak without translating. I can speak without translating. Good work. Keep doing this practice often. Part 8. Make English part of your day. To stop translating, make English part of your daily life. Change your phone to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself in English. Watch videos in English. The more you see English, the easier it gets. You don't have to study for hours. Just do small things every day. Small steps make big changes. Part 9. Your daily plan. Let's put everything together. Here is your daily plan. Step 1. In the morning, think simple sentences. I will go to work. I will study English. Step 2. During the day, describe what you see. I see a man walking. I see a blue car. Step 3. Use visual thinking. See the object and think the English word. Step 4. At night, review your day in English. I watched a video. I cooked dinner. Step 5. Do shadowing for 5 minutes. If you do this plan every day, you will stop translating step by step. Part 10. Positive affirmations. Let's finish with positive words. Repeat after me. I am learning English step by step. I am learning English step by step. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. English is part of my life. English is part of my life. I feel more comfortable every day. I feel more comfortable every day. Thank you for listening today. I am so proud of you. I'm Zoe, and this is Daily English Zone. Remember, English is not just something you study. It is something you live. Keep thinking in English. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time.